everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Generation the Legacy. February move over. July is officially the month of love. We have a very single Mazwi finally taking the plunge onto dating game, and the investigative journalist Syanda is also embracing love, but he will have to break someone's heart in the process. Recently, Smanga or Syanda is caught between his estranged wife and wise Dr. Spain. But after 2 weeks of keeping both of them arm's length, Syanda will finally make the decision, which won't be an easy decision. He clearly loves his ex-wife, but there is a reason why their relationship didn't work. Spain, on the other side, is a fresh start, and Syanda feels he have a really shot at stability and happiness. We are not surprised, guys. Spain was there when Syanda lost his mother, who was the reason he broke up with Pamela, and the bloody ordeal they went through when Jack was cut into pieces in their presence, and that alone left them with undeniable connection. Speaking to TV Plus magazine, Syanda, portrayed by KCB, revealed Pamela, who is used having her way, will be devastated, and that Spain is rightful concern about her. On the other side, Mazwi finally gets someone who will make him happy. Could that person be Tracy, guys? I think so. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about Syanda's final decision. But if he chooses Spain, Pamela will be a thorn in their flesh, I'm telling you. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next upload.